Alchemy is a medieval chemical science and speculative philosophy aiming to achieve the transmutation of the base metals into gold, the discovery of a universal cure for disease, and the discovery of a means of indefinitely prolonging life. Alchemy was developed in ancient Egypt, where Egyptian beliefs in life after death and their mummification procedures gave rise to rudimentary chemical knowledge and a goal of immortality. It was brought to the West in the 8th century when the Arabs brought it to Europe. Gold was seen as a perfect metal, and all others were less perfect, an idea popular among Western alchemists, so popular that these lower metals could be transmuted into gold by means of a substance known as the philosopher's stone. By the 17th and 18th century, alchemists were decidedly divided into the laboratory practice versus the philosophical practice, and the laboratory won out. There was no shortage of practitioners in alchemy and related fields. They were involved in all manner of scientific pursuits, and most were physicians, professors, metallurgists, or some other professions in addition to being alchemists.
Alchemy differed from modern science, for its practices included mythology, magic, religion, and spirituality. While there were differences, the two basic goals of alchemy were the creation of the fabled philosopher's stone, an object with the ability to transform base metals into gold or silver, and the development of the elixir of life, a mythical potion that, when drunk from a certain cup at a certain time, supposedly grants the drinker eternal life and eternal youth. It was also said to be able to create life.
Although alchemy declined in the 18th century, a number of important alchemists still existed. One example was Hermann Fichtold, a leader of the Golden and Rosy Cross organization. Founded by alchemist Samuel Richter in the early 18th century, the organization was based on alchemical treatises, organized in hierarchical circles, and was full of secrecy. During the mid-1850s, the chemist and photographer Cyprian Theodore Tiffarau presented a series of papers to the Academy of Science in Paris, outlining how he had succeeded in turning silver into gold using common reagents. Additionally, the most widely accepted alchemical text during the time period was the Emerald Tablet.
To most people, the word alchemy brings up images of wizards, sorcerers, and laboratories. But alchemy is actually a science or art that many people devoted their lives to, either spiritually or scientifically. People practice alchemy all across the world in areas like Egypt, Europe, China, and Arabia. Whether rich or poor, many greedy humans believed in alchemy, hoping to multiply their riches. People equated the words alchemist and charlatan, as they viewed alchemy as a deceitful study. Although many did look down on alchemy, it was also seen to be the chemistry of that time, and as the word alchemy is Arabic in origin and means chemistry itself, such beliefs did end up laying the foundations for modern chemistry.